Did you know that? A boiled egg with yolk contains 70 calories, while a boiled egg without yolk contains only 17 calories, about 4 times less. It may seem incredible, but 100 grams of boiled potatoes contain 85 calories, and 100 grams of boiled rice 135 calories. You will be surprised to know that 100 grams of milk chocolate has 530 calories, and 100 grams of strawberries have only 30 calories. Just imagine, 100 grams of chips have 550 calories, and a 100-gram apple has 52 calories, which is about 10 times less. Shocking difference. 100 grams of mayonnaise has 680 calories, and 100 grams of sour cream 10% has 115 calories, which is about 6 times less. Unexpectedly tasty and dietary, 100 grams of cucumbers have about 15 calories, and 100 grams of tomatoes have about 18 calories.